Lesson number 1: Nouns. Words based on their functions are categorized in different types of parts of speech. This is a lesson about part of speech called noun. A noun is a word used to name a person, a place, a thing, an animal, or an idea. Examples of nouns: naming persons, girl, John, mother, doctor. Naming places: playground, school, London, house. Naming things: book, bag, ship, table. Naming animals: lion, cat, rat, fish. Naming ideas: kindness, faith, joy, pain. Now look at the picture to identify the nouns in it. These words describe the things we see in the picture. They are all nouns: sun, kids, trees, kite, birds, buildings.